Hello there, I'm Rex Proctor. Thank you for joining me in this screencast. We're going to take a look at importing files into Angles and just how you set up the best method in order to distribute imported files or to import those files after you've distributed some content. So let's start off by creating a new folder. So I'll create a new folder and I'm going to name that MCIVMun. That will be created on the desktop. Let me go and grab that. So there's my folder. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is check my Windows menu. You'll notice that here there is no window that's being saved into that folder. So let's create a new one. And you can see that's called Angles 3. So I'll call this MCIVMun. And then I'll close the previous window. And now I'm working in this window. And that window is being saved inside of this folder so that when I distribute, they will have the same layout. Right, now I'm going to then split up my super tab here, and you can create multiple super tabs in the window so they're all conveniently opened up. What I need to do though first is distribute or copy the collection that I want to put inside the folder. Currently, as of this screencast, we don't have a file type for the movie collection. So if you want to distribute these, you need to go in there and copy those directly from one folder to another and then distribute that folder. When you're on the Apple file system, you can see how quickly that copies, so it's really easy to construct, these folders. And we're going to open that up right here. And then I'm going to import some timelines that I've copied to the desktop using the export features. So let's take our timeline. Now, if your timeline isn't automatically linked, you can use the link icon here in the toolbar. You can click and drag that, or you can use Shift Control Option and click and drag from the body of the timeline. Highly recommend that you learn this little Shift Control Option keyboard shortcut because it allows you to quick link to lots of things. So now that that's linked, say if I create a matrix here and I want to link that, I just go Shift Control bang, and that generates the matrix right there on the spot, linked to it. So that is a really convenient thing to learn. That shortcut's great. Now, I'm going to bring in my composer. Notice I'm dropping that directly into an empty pane. So that's a new feature that we've added as of build 988. You can create a new composer and drag and drop it into there, or you can merge into an existing composer as well. So if you're taking two bits of work from person A and person B, you can merge those in, and it will look for duplicate clips. And so it's kind of a neat way of merging stuff. Be sure to really give that a good check before you commit to that workflow, because the merging options may not behave exactly like you would like. And now I'll just grab my markup and drag and drop that in, and I'm all ready to go. Now, everything is saved into this window inside the folder. So when I quit Angles and I double click on the folder, bam, everything opens up just like we expect. So that's a great way of creating distributable movie folders and how you import content directly into it. So if you were to distribute without timelines, you can simply use the new sharing features as a build 988, and you can WhatsApp a timeline. They can drag and drop it in and then link it to the movie, or a composer can be distributed in that same fashion. So I hope you find this screencast to be useful. Thanks again for watching.